Hey everyone, happy Friday. I hope you have had a wonderful weekend. It is Kristen Williams from the Williams team in Austin coming to you for a weekly housing update on what's going on in the Austin housing market. A lot of things are just kind of same as it's been. There's really been kind of that maintenance phase of the fall. We have had fewer listings at the market continuously over the last couple of weeks, which is very normal. This happens every holiday season. So we don't see a lot of inventory pickup between the Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year holiday. And a lot of times, very regularly, we see things pick up after New Year. So I feel like that's kind of trending that way. We have seen some interest rates go down and dip a little bit after the election. They're saying that they're down based on that. Plus, we have seen a lot of job layoffs, not just in Austin, but just across the board. A lot of large companies, Meta announced a big layoff, and a lot of large companies are announcing hiring freezes. And so there's just a lot going on economically right now. So it's a little too soon to say if the latest interest rate increase when the Fed met, it bumped rates up, even though they're down a little bit right at this minute. And just what's happening in the jobs economy sector, how that's going to impact housing, Austin, just economically. We had a meeting with Gary Keller earlier this week, and obviously curbing inflation is very, very important to the government, to the Fed, and they are tinkering with interest rates in order to make that happen. He said that he does predict that interest rates are going to continue to go up if the latest increase doesn't stop housing and stop spending and change our situation with jobs and whatnot. So a little bit too soon to say. It could be just regular holiday slowdown, but it's not really any slower than it has been because of the holidays. It's just the housing market is slow right now because of all the things that are happening economically, and the holidays are now upon us. So definitely a good time to have strategy conversations. I've seen actually a little bit of pickup on some of my properties that could be great investment properties. So that tells me that maybe investors are looking to spend some money. Maybe they have cash, 1031 type money to spend by the end of the year. So I do feel like I'm seeing a little bit of a pickup on those specific types of properties. So that said, if you have any questions or want to strategize about your real estate investments and purchase and selling and buying and all the things and all the questions housing, I am happy to have those conversations with you. So have a wonderful week. Stay warm and dry as we've just had that cold front blow through Austin. And I'm around if you have any questions. Have a great weekend.